Practices for the Wired Wanderer. The monk offers you these contemplations, the one-breath protocol. Before unlocking your phone, before clicking, before posting, take one full breath. In that breath, ask, what am I hungry for? Not information. Deeper. Connection, validation, escape? Name the hunger, and half of its power dissolves. Notification koan. Each notification is a teacher. When it arrives, don't react. Observe the sensation in your body. Where does the urge to check arise? Your chest? Your fingers? Your mind? This is your nervous system revealing itself. The notification didn't disturb your peace. It revealed that peace was already conditional. The mandala email, Tibetan monks create intricate sand mandalas over days, then destroy them to contemplate impermanence. Apply this to your inbox. Your carefully crafted email perfect tone, flawless grammar send it, then let it go. It will be read, archived, or deleted. Like all things in the cloud, it is already evaporating. Algorithm as mirror. Your feed is not random. It's a reflection of your deepest patterns. The algorithm knows you better than you know yourself, not because it's intelligent, but because you're predictable. Look at what appears. This is your vasana, your subconscious tendency made visible. The algorithm is your guru, showing you where your attention habitually goes. The airplane mode retreat. Once a day, enter airplane mode for 20 minutes. Not to escape, but to practice. Can you exist without the hum of connectivity? Can you sit with the silence between transmissions? This is mauna, the yogic practice of silence, adapted for the age of constant communication.